Hello guys, welcome in Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to operate Traktor Pro simultaneously, how to record any after editing as well as after mashup of any audio MP3 songs, and how you will get as a final product recording in this Traktor. So see guys, this is just you have to import the any song here. So directly here, see, suppose this song I would like to import. So let's see, directly you have to leave here back. Now see, similar, this is your A deck, this is your B, this is for beat changer. So let me increase. Now when you increase, then your song will be in a slow motions. So here, sorry, it's decreasing. So it's also, when you decrease, then song will be in a slow motion, and when you increase, then the song will be in a fast mode. Now see guys, one thing you have to firstly select the audio drive, that's where you would like to, while you mess up, yeah, while you're editing the audio song. As we know, this is for audio, so at the situations while you're editing, you would like to listen of that song also. So you have to go for here in audio setup. In audio you have to select audio drive. This is a very important. When you have the connected your laptop or PC with the Bluetooth device, then when you play in this Traktor any MP3 while you're editing, then in that situation you won't be able to listen. So in that situation you have to here select that drive, Bluetooth drive, otherwise you won't be able to listen. So at the moment I'm playing the song and listening in my laptop, so I have selected my audio drive, that is laptop. Now sample rate is frequency hertz, that is 4800, sorry, 48,000 hertz. So that will give you a good frequency with good clarity sound, and processing that would be a similar here, and this would be also similar. Now here see win will, so here you have to select your window audio drives. Now one thing let you informs here, output routing, so that should be while you not a recording the situation, that should be a internal, no problem at all. While you recording your final product, that should be internal. So see guys, here just I have selected here external at the moment, and this step is very important while you recording. Mix recorder, in the mix recorder, whenever you will record after completing, after completion of any project for editing, as well as the mashup of MP3 songs, you have to select this internal. Yes, source that should be internal mix recorder, and external input that should be a similar here. And if you external, then you have to select deck 1, deck 2 according to your initializations. Here I have selected internal. Now this is your after recording where you would like to save. So simply I will go for desktop, so I will click here and I have selected desktop, and I will go for OK. Now your file name after recording, what name you would like to keep of this file, so that's you can select here. And yes, split files at the size that should be approximately below the 700 MB, show that here. Now I will go for here simply and check it that recording mode is a functional or not guys. See now here when I will click, now see it has started to record here, there is a sign. So now recording mode is totally functional. So according to you, you can Q, Coop, Eco use here, and according to your initialization desire, you can prepare the mashup of any mp3 songs, as well as you can impose their echo, flanker, whatever you want, and then after you have to simply start and go for record here. So guys, here let me play first. See, the song is not playing at the moment in my PC. Why it is so? Because mic is connected with my audio jack. So at these situations I will exit off that audio jack, and then I will play once again, and let's now I would like to play once again. Now see guys, it's playing. So this one I would like to record. So how I will record here, see. So guys, here see, this part actually I have recorded here, but let's see, it's on here now my desktop. So I would like to play that it's recorded or not very well here. So let's see, I would like to play in VLC player. Simply this is a final product of mp3. See guys, here the sound is not coming clear, so it's not playing. So what I will do here, there is a problem, error in this Traktor, so I will delete all and I will come once again on Traktor, and I will select here internal part. So this is internal here, I have selected here in out routing. This is external, so this one I have to select internal, then I will be able to record of this. Now once again I would like to record, and let's see how the sound is coming or not in my after final product of audio. So see, I have started. Now I will go for record it. Now it's recording guys. Now see here, just I will stop it and I will check it out. So this is my product on final product of so here I will go for open in VLC. Now see guys, its sound is coming. So this is way how to record, how to operate it, and furthermore the detail Traktor, that's how you will go for mashup, how you will go for editing. I will show you one by one, as we know that this is a professional course, that how you will go for mashup, how you will go for editing. So there are a lot of the feature in this Traktor. The professional, they have been using this Traktor audio editing software. So if you need, then you have to write the comment below the comment box here, because I got in one comment below my description, below my actually the comment box, that how to record Traktor audio mashup make on this video. So that's why actually I'm trying to here. This is way. Furthermore, any details about this Traktor you would like to have the information, definitely you have to write the comment below the comment box. I will show you one by one step, that's how you will go for that, how you will go for all kind of the feature of here, rest, FRZ, FR, filter, theta, break. So everything just I will tell you if you need of that. Sure. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive that how you will go for basic, how you will know basic operating of this Traktor, simultaneously how you will set up the audio devices that you will be able to record your final product of after mashup, yeah, after preparing any audio edited product. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much and thank you for watching. Have a great time and don't forget like and subscribe to my channel so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. My motive that to enhance your knowledge related to information technology. So thank you guys. Have a great time. Bye bye. See you in next video tutorial.